everyone's super genuine. They want the best for everyone. We all have the same common goal. I'm Alex Antill. I'm an HVAC installer or an apprentice installer here at Cardinal, and I've been here for just a little over a year. I think there's a lot of tools for us here to at least get our information from. There's plenty of people, and they're all reachable. I mean, if you need to know something, you can figure it out pretty quick. And they just have a standard that not a lot of other companies hold other people to. I mean, we're expected to put in the best product out there. And so, I mean, that's what we do. Everyone has the same mindset, like the culture here. All of us want to do the same thing. We all have the same goal in mind. And I think it's just that correlation that we all have with each other of all having that same mindset. It just makes it for very smooth work. We all understand that we're providing a service to people. And so I think when you understand that physicality of it, when you're gonna go in, we're not just here to install a furnace, we're here to also provide that customer with a good experience. It's just nice to walk in the door and everyone has that same mindset. We're all here to get whatever needs to be done that day, and be able to also go home and have that at-home life. They give everything that helps us make the job as easy as possible. It's like there's no corners cut. It's all done to the best of its ability.